Indian diet plan for hypothyroidism. Have you been diagnosed with any of thyroid disorder? In India, around 42 million people suffers from thyroid disorder. According to a study in Cochin, the prevalence of hypothyroidism ranges from 3.9 to 9.4%. Have you ever thought what we are eating is correct or sufficient for our body? Actually, we are losing the true essence of food by too much modification in diet may lead to certain insufficiency in the body. Individuals who are suffering from hypothyroidism are often advised to follow strict meal plan for hypothyroidism. While there may be several treatment options for hypothyroidism, diet modification is an essential part for low thyroid, whether it can be medical or alternative treatment. Over 90% of hypothyroid cases are autoimmune diseases. As you have hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism and other thyroid symptoms depends on your diet. If you follow diet and medication can significantly affect on your thyroid glands. Here we are suggesting simple meal plan which can help to make your life easier. Hypothyroidism in India at a glance. Hypothyroidism occurs due to the metabolic disorder, although women are 3 times more prone to this condition. There are some other factors contributing to thyroid disorder or people living in mountain regions consumes high level of goitrogens and genetic factors or lifestyle factors. Indian diet plan for hypothyroidism. Early morning, 1 glass of warm water with lemon and honey. Breakfast, 1 cup of oats upma or 2 egg white omelette with lots of capsicum. Morning snack, 1 medium-sized orange or any fruit of your choice. Lunch, 1 cup salad plus 1 cup brown rice plus 1 cup vegetables plus 1 cup dal plus 1 cup curd. Post-lunch, 1 glass buttermilk plus 15 minutes walk. Evening snack, 1 cup green tea plus 2 to 3 walnuts or Brazil nuts. Evening, 1 cup vegetable soup. Dinner, 1 cup salad plus 2 jowari roti plus 1 cup cooked bottle gourd plus 1 cup curd. Bedtime, 1 cup warm water with lemon plus 15 minutes walk. Conclusion. This Indian diet plan helps for hypothyroidism by helping in weight loss and health. By following this, you can see some changes in your body. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.